This is the Euromac model Digibend 400 CNC horizontal ram press. It's basically a 2-axis horizontal press brake. It has a 50-inch stroke back gauge and a 9.5-inch stroke ram. The beauty is it's basically an open-ended press brake where you can actually bend around the post if you need. Part slips right off the top. It has interchangeable tooling for punches and dies. For heavy bending, it has this stabilizer bar which you can open and close as needed. With 44 tons, you can bend 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, even 1 inch with the proper tooling. It has a digital control that shows the job name, job number, bend number, how many parts you've bent. Works in thousandths of an inch for bend point, retract point, and this is the back gauge location. Now let's bend a piece of 1/2 inch by 2 inch flat bar. You can see the back gauge retract at the pinch point. The nice part about this being a horizontal press brake with a table is the part is always flat, it's always square to the tooling. Finished part. There are 4 tooling positions on the table depending on what type of tooling you're mounting. Very versatile. Tooling is quick chain. And locks in.